Hello, how are you? So in this video, I will this I will show you how to make this glitch using this the Bing.com. You log in using your Microsoft account or Google account. You can generate this using this prompt: horizontal rough glitch effect, a silhouette of a boombox. I just put here additional glow in the dark. This is the color: white, cyan, magenta, yellow. So bitmap effect also here for t-shirt print and black background. So this is the other image it generated. So some people are maybe wondering, it's very hard to edit. It's a small size, it's hard to edit. So I will show you how to edit this to make it high quality na t-shirt design. We'll select here image, maybe I think this one. I will use this one. Just download. I will not resize. I will keep it like this, 1000 by 1000. So here, Photoshop, we use this 4500, 5400, 300 RGB black background. Create embedded. So here, resize. See, it's look ugly. It's a low resolution. This is what you will see. So for other people, this is unusable. They think it's a garbage. It's trash. Trash AI. So we will try to edit this in Photoshop. First, to edit this, we need to rasterize layer. Okay. Next, magic wand. Remove the check here. 100 tolerance. Click in the block. Delete. Deselect. Control D. Control D. Deselect. Now, it's not yet final. Still ugly when I remove the black part. Okay, so next, click here. Posterize. So check the before after. So I hide this eye. This is the difference. It's become much clarity, but still it looks ugly. But here you can adjust 3 2 like this one. So I think for glitch effect, I think this one is better. Maybe 2. So before, like this 4, I adjusted the value levels here. This is the actual glitch. This is the actual glitch. We have a white color, cyan, magenta. But we can still make it, we will apply more effect. So I select both of this, right click, merge layers. So it's become a one layer. But for now, we want to edit, no. Filter, pixelate, color halftone. This is my value, 8 channels. It's up to you what you want here, but this is my settings here. So you can increase this one, the size of the circles. I press OK. Now you see what happened. I remove the background. So you will stay here. See some black after we select. So just click again, click this block, then delete, then Control D to deselect. Control 0 to zoom out. Control 0. See, it looks better now. Become high quality. You see, with the color halftone effect. Halftone design for glitch halftone. Oh, wow, pretty good. So we will save this one. We will see put in the mockup to see what it looks in the t-shirt. PNG. Okay, we go to the mockup. Okay, this is the mockup now. See, looks good. See, became high quality without using any upscaling. We just need to use this. This is the key, the posterize and the color halftone effect. So, navy color shirt. So, you see, it's good. Black. Wow. This will look good in your store, online store. You can put any pets here, cars, trucks, anything. You can use this effect. Okay, bye bye.